Question 5. Chris, Debbie, and Errol share some money in the ratio 3 to 4 to 2. So that's Chris, Debbie, and Errol in the ratio 3 to 4 to 2. And Debbie gets £120. So we'll write 120 below Debbie. I'm going to work out what Chris and Errol get now. Because I can see 4 multiplied by 30 gives me 120. I'm going to multiply both of these by 30 as well. So 3 times by 30 gives me 90, and 2 times by 30 gives me 60. So that might be helpful for the rest of the question. Chris then gives some of his share to Debbie and some of his share to Errol. The money that Chris, Debbie, and Errol each have is now in the ratio 2 to 5 to 3. So that means that Chris is giving some of the money to Debbie and some of the money to Errol. So the amount of money that Chris is going to end up with is going to be less, and Debbie and Errol will end up with more. The share is now 2 to 5 to 3, and we need to think, does the amount of money that we have change? The amount of money isn't going to change because we're not adding any extra money in, we're not taking any money out, it's just going to be split between these 3 people. So if we add up all of these, 90 add 120 is 210, add 60 is 270, we know that the total is going to be 270 here. How much money does Chris give to Errol? So we need to work out how much money goes from there to there. Let's just work this out. We've got 2 to 5 to 3 parts. So altogether, there's 5 add 3 add 2, so that's 10 parts, which is equal to 270. So if I divide both sides by 10, 1 part would be equal to 27, and now I can work out what everyone gets. So 2 times by 27 is 54, and 3 times by 27 would be 81. So you can see here, Errol's has gone up by 21, and Chris has gone down by 36, but that has been split between Debbie's and Errol's. You don't have to work out Debbie's, you can just work out Errol's. So it's gone up by 21, so 81, take away 60, which gives me 21.